here off of the paddock, next to the aircraft display area, will also receive a free Freedom Fest Veterans Ball Cap. Tonight, if you recognize a veteran, please take the time to thank them for their sacrificial service. It's to celebrate the home of the free because of the brave. And to honor this one nation under...
There's a really impressive display of helicopters down there, varying